Hey YouTube. All right, so I'm over here in the middle of doing my hair, getting in the groove of things, getting used to it, and I'm like, sis, don't you have a YouTube channel? Don't you got subscribers? I was like, oh, man, yeah, you're right. And then I was like, do they really want to see this? Like, I was like, yes, they want to see that. They want to see. So then I'm like, all right, let me make this video. So you can see I already started doing my hair. I'm so sorry I like dead spaced. Like, I don't know what I was doing. But anyways, I'm gonna just show you how I do the rubber band method box braids. And with a little spin at the end. There's gonna be a part 1 and a part 2. Cause I didn't find a perfect editing app yet. But soon I will. So part 1, I'm just going to show you how I attach the braids and what I use to do the parts. And then part 2, I'm going to show you how I curl it and how it turned out and how I spice it up. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. All right, let's get into it. So in order to part my hair, I'm like pretty good at parting. So I use this comb. But if you're not good at parting, you should use a tail comb. Girl, if I had a tail comb, I would use a tail comb because these parts would be even better than they are. Like, if you know me, you know my tail comb is sad. Like, my tail comb doesn't even have a tail anymore. Like, my friends already know. And, like, some of the bristles are missing, if that's even what it's called. So, yeah. So, a tail comb, rubber bands, even edge tamer. That stuff will hold it down. Like, it will hold your life. If you put it on a ripping rope, that rope ain't gonna rip no more. You see? Because that stuff holds, bro. It holds. You see that? You see that? Anyways. And then also, most people will use coconut oil on their rubber bands because I couldn't find elastic bands, so I just got regular rubber bands. But I didn't want to cause like breakage in my hair, so I took the rubber bands. Guess what? Put wild growth on it. Wild growth, ooh, love it. It has my nails growing. Like, I stay biting my nails. Like, my nails will grow back, and then I go, bye-bye. And also, I use it on my eyelashes too, because I was using mascara a while back, like every day, and not washing it off. And my eyelash, like, I just rubbed, and my eyelashes was just disappearing. So I put this on my eyelashes, and now when I close my eyes, when I open my eyes wide, my eyelashes could almost touch my eyebrows. It's great. You should use it. But anyways, most people use coconut oil on their rubber bands. But I used wild growth because it's oil, 1, so it's going to keep it from breaking. And it's 2, it helps your hair grow. Like, that's what you want, sis. You want your hair to grow. I mean, if you don't want your hair to grow, then use coconut oil, regular coconut oil. But if you want that growth, and few of you know that I cut my hair before I got my last hairstyle, which was box braids. And girl, I was so sad. Like, but girl, my hair grew back. Like, I cut it like Bob cut it, and it grew back. So I washed my hair last night, and then this morning got into this thing. Now let me show you how I get my braids. So first, you want to just take your weave and section it off. Like, take all your braids out as the size that you want. So I'm using this size, this amount. Don't know. Yeah. And you just section it out because that's the hardest part to me, because you don't want like different size braids because you're gonna look funny, to be honest. So first you take this, twist it a little bit, put it on, sit it right on that rubber band, like right on that rubber band. And you take the hair and you start that braid, and you braid, and we braid, and we braid, and we braid. And we braid, and we braid. And we braid, and we braid, and we braid. And then when you start to see that your hair is disappearing, that's when you want to take your hair and separate it. No, you want to keep your hair straight and separate the weave from one section into the middle, and then weave from this section too into the middle, and then you continue your braid. As you braid, you want to just keep on making sure that the ends is not getting tangled, because girl, darn it, because you're gonna end up like me with this tangles. Jeez, the struggle is real. There we go. And you braid, and you want to make sure your hair looks as neat as possible, so use your first braid that you do as a marking point. So you braid and you braid. All right, guys, so I don't have school today. Comment below if you don't have school today. Today's Veterans Day. I'm pretty sure no one has school. I'm not actually sure, but I'm pretty sure no one has school today. If you have school today, that's kind of rude. Like, pay tribute to the veterans. Like, what is your school doing? Let me know. Let me know, sis. Like, and comment below any video ideas that you want. Like, if there's a tutorial that you want me to do for you, let me know. If there's anything you want to see me eat, if it's not gonna make me throw up or I'm not allergic, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, let me know if you have any suggestions on what I should do with my videos. And like, tell me if there's an app that you think I should use to edit my videos also. And let me know if you really like my channel, if I should keep it going, or if you think I should just stop. Just be like, no, sis, no. That ain't it, chief. That ain't it, you know? Just let me know. Be honest. But don't be mean, because, you know, spread the love. Spread the love. Yep. And that is how you, pop a rubber band. Take that elastic band and reapply it. Try again. Y'all, I'm a whole fool. Like, if y'all want me to be serious, tell me that you want me to be serious and I'll try. But if you love my funniness, all right, let me know. Be like, sis, keep it funny. I love it. So stay tuned for part 2, where I show you how to curl the ends and how it turns out. Peace out, Girl Scout.